Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare a rice mix powder using flax seeds. Ingredients for this are flax seeds, alsi ka beans in Hindi, ali vidai in Tamil, agse bija in Kannada. I have taken 1 cup of flax seeds, half the proportion of dried dates pieces. I have remove the seeds and cut the dates into pieces. Required amount of red chilies. I have taken Badgi or Kashmiri chilies. You can use whatever chilies you are having. Salt to taste. 1 string of curry leaves. Little amount of tamarind. Now switch on the stove. Take a pan. Let it get heated. Now we will dry roast all the ingredients one by one. First I have taken tamarind. We will fry it for some time. Now I have fried the tamarind. Just the moisture should go. That's it. Now it is ready. We will take it in a bowl. Next we will fry it. The dates. We will fry it for few minutes. Just 1 minute is enough. Don't fry more. Just let the moisture go from it. We take curry leaves and fry it. This should be fried little crispy, then only it will get powder. So we will fry it until it become crispy. Now it has become crispy. We will take it out from the stove. Now we will fry the red chilies, required amount of red chilies. We will fry it until it gets crispy. We have to fry it separately because tamarind will be little moist. It should fry for more time. Flax seeds, dates and need not fry that much because they are dry one. Chilies also, they are dry only, need not fry more. So that's why we have to fry it separately. Now it is done. We will take it in a bowl. Now we will fry the flax seeds. It should not fry more. Just you should fry it until it get warm. Because if you fry more, it will start leaving its oil and powder will not be, while grinding powder will not be nice. So just fry it until, on a low flame only you fry. Now this is enough. We will switch on the stove. We will switch off the stove and let it cool. Let all the ingredients get cool. Then we will grind it in a jar. Now take a mixer jar. First add tamarind, dates, chilies according to taste, then salt according to taste. First we will powder it thoroughly, then in the last we will add flax seeds and curry leaves. Now I have grinded all the ingredients thoroughly. Time to add flax seed and curry leaves. Now we will add curry leaves and flax seeds. Grind and the healthy and iron rich powder will be ready to serve with rice. Now the flax seeds powder is ready to serve. You serve this with coconut oil. It will be very tasty. With hot steaming rice, it will be very tasty. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.